Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Trey, the DIY Ninja, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Insta360 Go. So this is what the box looks like. It's really small. It's literally the size of my hand. And my hand is not that big, but it's just really close to the screen, so it may look bigger. But in person, this box is really surprisingly tiny. I'm gonna give you an overview of the box really quickly. Just says Insta360, and there we go. Just a side note, excuse my nail polish and my peeling thumbs in case they're in the shot. I had a chemical burn from doing my gel nail polish for some reason. This is the first time it ever happened, and now my thumbs are flaking off. Okay, but I wanted to film this video for you before this product gets old. So yes, I was really excited to get the Insta360, and it finally came in. I already unboxed it in real life, but I wanted to just do this on camera for you guys so you know what you get if you do purchase this item. So it comes with this little card here. The font is too small for me to read, but if you can read it, feel free. I'll just turn this over. Okay, put this to the side. It comes with stickers. This is a really white sticker, and these are yellow and black stickers. It's just their Insta360 logo, which you can just, put on whatever. And this is basically what your box will look like if you order it. Everything though was wrapped in like a nice protective plastic, and this is a really nice protective foam in here. I have a piece of the packaging still in there, but yes, this is a really nice, like almost like a memory foam. Surprising, but that's great because it protects the camera. This is what the camera looks like. It's this small, very tiny, just like a little screen. And this is the charging and transfer port mechanism, and this it plugs into your iOS device, and it comes with a cord that plugs into here to charge. Does it come with a charging cord? It does. Oh shoot, I forgot to get that. Anyways, it comes with a charging cord, which it's plugged into my outlet in another room, so let's just pretend we know what that looks like. It's just a black cord. It's not very long, so it's not too short, but it's not the longest cord ever. Plug this in here, plug it into some kind of adapter, wall outlet, and you're good to go. Let's take this box out. Okay, I'm just gonna push this in the back. I'll leave the camera here. So, like I said, I've already unboxed this just for convenience and to test out the camera. But basically, all your accessories come in this little box. So everything comes in here. It came with a silica gel pack. It has an instruction booklet, which I also left in another room. But it's like basically about 1/4 thickness of this box and the same size. Fits perfectly in here. The font is super small, so I myself will never be able to read it. And let's just get into what you get. Okay, so there's this other pamphlet. I think this is the warranty information. And here we go. So the main attraction that really gets people is the pendant necklace. This is a magnetic necklace that you wear under your t-shirt, and the Go, pretend if this is the Go, it will just stick. It'll stick directly to it like this. And oops, sorry. One thing I wanted to mention about the necklace is a lot of people show it with this like gray rubber side, right? And it looks like it'll stick perfectly. However, if you actually take the Go and try to put it on the neck pendant, let me show you. You take the Go and put it on the pendant, it does not stick in the middle. Like, it's off to the side. It's not equally in the middle. Like, it will not allow you to put it in the middle. That's because this is rubberized, because it will be in contact with your skin. So you're actually supposed to put it on this side, I believe, because it sticks right in the middle and there's no like magnetic interference. It just goes right in the middle there. Whereas on this side, it will like actually repel. See, I'm pushing and it's making me go to one side or the other. There you go. You can see that. Okay. So there is the magnet. And I'll just put the camera back in really quickly. Okay. So everything's magnetic. It's causing a mess when everything is all out. Okay, so here's the pendant. This is the cord that I use all the time because this is for Androids. Now here's the thing, actually I'll make a whole separate video about it. If you have an Android, don't expect for it to do the same thing as it does for iOS. I don't know why Insta360 did this, but they did not make the apps equal. So basically, I'm paying the same amount of money for a product that other people get more use out of because they literally did not make their app the same. But I'll get into that later. Okay, so this is the pivot mount. You can literally pivot it in any direction. Oops, here we go. This is a sticky stand that this pivot mount screws onto. This is a 1/4 so a standard mount. You can put this onto any stand, like a selfie stick, a tripod, whatever, or you can put it on the sticky mount. This is a clip. This rubber pops off all the time. This is supposed to be to protect you, I guess, to be more comfortable when it's if it's against your skin or pushing on you or something. But really, I don't use that. That's like junk to me because it just always comes off. Even if you try to slide something in, like that will pop off anyways. Oh, so this is for Android to connect to your phone to transfer. For Android, you need to plug it into this side here and then plug this into the bottom of your charging port on your phone. For iOS users, they have this convenient one built in right here, lightning port. Whereas why didn't they just make an option or an attachment to go over or something instead of this annoying wire? So I have to hold my phone and hold this just to transfer media. But I mean, at least there's a way. It's better than not being able to use it, but at the same time, like, come on, it looks so cool when you just plug it into the phone like that. But I believe there is a solution. I've ordered a lightning port to USB-C adapter that's just kind of just sticks on top of it. I don't know why Insta360 didn't just include that in the first place, but I will do a separate video to see if that is as efficient or if it even works. So maybe it just doesn't work that way, but who knows. Okay, so that is, oh, and one more. And this is just a regular sticky mount that it will just magnetize to, and you can just stick this on the wall. Another note, sorry about the mounts. So I've had this for about a week, I guess. Well, actually a little less than a week, maybe 5 days. And although these sticky mounts are reusable, all you do is wash them with water if they don't get sticky anymore, and they say to save these backings. It's true, they're very sticky. They work really well. However, once you stick it on something, it's so hard to unstick it because there's no tab like this or a latch or something to help you pull it off. So it took me forever to unstick this one just to show you guys for this video. And I'm afraid, literally afraid to stick this anywhere because I might not be able to get it off. And I don't even press it into the surface. For instance, I stuck this on my mirror to, you know, do a tutorial or something, and I literally thought I was gonna break the glass of a mirror trying to pull this off, and it took forever. So I haven't used this one yet, but I'm scared. Okay, so those are the accessories. Let's take a look at the actual camera. So it comes with this clear cover to protect your camera when it's in the charging port slash. Okay, my camera cut off, but I was saying slash media transfer unit. And this is not the best design. I know other people have mentioned it in their video, but yes, it looks like AirPods. Oops, see? It looks like an AirPods case. However, this lid can easily be lost, and it's kind of like cumbersome to take on and off. If it was easier, just kind of pop, and it had a little hinge here, that would be awesome. Secondly, this bottom rubber part, although I don't even use it on an iPhone, I could technically plug this into my iPad Pro, but the fact that this rubber piece is also separate, this has fallen out in my pocket. Just putting it in my pocket and pulling this out, this has fallen out. I'm like, huh? Why is it missing a piece? And I have to like dig around, or this will fall on the floor when I pull it out. So this is also very losable. Which, I mean, I don't know. I guess there's no workaround to that. Unless they make another extended part of the bottom that also is hinged. So you can just unhinge and hinge it back. But who knows? Okay, also, there is a button here. I believe you press it to see how much charge you have. If it's yellow or green. If it's green, it's good. If it's yellow, it's something I don't even know. I can't see color, so someone tell me. I have also not read the instruction booklet because the font is so tiny. But yes, I believe when it's red, it needs charging. When you push it, it's green. I don't know what this button does. But yes, okay. And another thing is, when you put this in the unit correctly, it will have a light here. There are little pins on the side or something. I don't know if you can see, but you must put it in this way. If you can't remember, just wherever this charging port is to charge the unit itself or the base, it's the opposite. The lens goes on the opposite side. So that's how I know which way to put it in, and then it also lights up. Because when I first got it, it came, I believe, this way. And oops, I think it's recording. That's another thing that is a negative about it. Okay, so what was I saying? Okay, I totally forgot. Oh yeah, so make sure it's in the right way, or else it will not connect. So I was trying to plug this into my phone to transfer data, and the app itself is so faulty. The app is horrible for Android. I don't know, I'm sure eventually they will update it and make it better, but literally, why is it not exactly the same as the iOS? It does not have the same features, it does not have the same functions, it does not operate the same. The app was totally disappointing, and I may just do another video on just how horrible it is, but at least I was like, at the very least, at least let me capture media and transfer it to my phone. You know, so when I first got it, I had it in the wrong way and it just would not connect. It kept saying, please connect put your camera into the base and connect to your phone. And I was like, okay, I did that. It's not working, but that was my fault. That's because I wasn't paying attention and it was in the wrong way. So just a tip, make sure this light is either flashing red or green. Red, I believe it's charging. And when you plug it in, it turns green, so it lets you know that it is connected properly. Okay, so that is the unboxing portion of my Insta360 Go review. I will be doing a part 2 about how it functions, showing you footage and going over the app. I mean, overall, it is a really nifty idea. It's very innovative. I literally bought this. Well, okay, I didn't buy this, but it's not sponsored. It's my honest, critical, brutal review. I got this as a birthday present, and I was waiting for this and for so long, and I was so hyped about it. I watched every YouTube video I could at the time about this Insta360 Go, and there's just not that much information out there. So I thought, you know, I would make this video for you guys. But yes, if you put any questions in the comment box below, I will definitely try to answer them all, if any. Yeah, I mean, I think it's cool. I think it's a good idea, but it definitely has a lot of flaws, of which I will get to in my part 2 video. In the meantime, if you do want to see part 2, give this video a thumbs up and pray for my thumbs as well. So yeah, leave a comment with any questions or any advice. If you do have the Insta360, go, and I will see you next time. Bye!